Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm visiting the Coon Dog Cemetery in Freedom Hills, Alabama. It's Easter Sunday, and I was surprised to find people there tending the graves, and they had food for visitors and a guest book for visitors to sign.
I live back that way, and
Okay.
probably the only
You made
one.
some crackling bread. Would you like some?
Oh, I made that. I was going to bring
You were
that out here.
expecting a lot of people here?
No.
Oh.
Yes, and they
Okay, I
did.
can.
They did.
It was
Yeah,
interesting
well,
seeing these people at the Coon Dog
let's see.
Cemetery on an Easter Sunday. Apparently they came there and
Well,
placed
thank you.
American flags on all of the coon dog graves.
I just got. I just got two
Okay.
of them down there.
I'm going to go take a couple of pictures.
Well, there's
of
some pretty ones on down that way. Where are you from?
Nova Scotia, Canada.
Oh my goodness.
They seemed a little surprised that someone from Nova Scotia had found his way to the Coon Dog Cemetery in Alabama. They gave me a bottle of water and a slice of her cracker bread, which is made with cornmeal and fatback pork. And it was excellent. I'm not sure how healthy it was, but I really enjoyed it.
So I wrote in here.
I asked for directions on how to get back to my hotel in Tuscumbia, and that did seem to create quite a discussion as to whether I should turn right or left when I came off this little road that took me into the Coon Dog Cemetery. Well, it was an interesting visit, and I learned a lot about the cemetery itself, and the history, and the story about the guy that started it all back in 1937. And while we're out looking at the gravestones, I'll fill you in on some of the things that I learned. So I was told that back in 1937, there was a guy, Key Underwood, who had a coon dog named Troop, and him and Troop loved to go hunting in this area. Anyway, Troop passed away, and Key decided to bury him here in his favorite hunting grounds. And he carved the name of Troop into a chunk of sandstone from the chimney of an old cabin with a screwdriver and a hammer. The date is shown on Troop's headstone, September 4th, 1937. And since that time, each Labor Day in September, there is a big celebration here because since Troop was buried here, over 300 coon dogs have been buried in this cemetery. The official name of the Coon Dog Cemetery is the Key Underwood Coon Dog Memorial Graveyard. And in front of me is a memorial to Key Underwood and, of course, his dog. I guess it's becoming clear that this is not just a pet cemetery. This is a coon dog cemetery. And in order for a dog to be buried here, 3 requirements must be met. First of all, the owner must claim that this is an authentic coon dog. Number 2, a witness must declare that the deceased is a coon dog. And number 3, a member of the Key Underwood Coon Dog Memorial Graveyard must be allowed to view the coonhound and declare it as such. In 1985, Underwood was interviewed, and he was asked by a lady from California as why he didn't allow other kinds of dogs to be buried at the Coon Dog Cemetery. And he said, "You must not know much about coon hunters and their dogs if you think we would contaminate this burial place with poodles and lapdogs." So this graveyard, which is exclusively for deceased coon dogs, is the only one of its type in the entire world. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and if you did, how about a big thumbs up? And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. That way you'll be notified when I make the next one. So you take care, have a great day, and remember, keep the rubber side down, shiny side up. Bye-bye.